So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to apply a promo code here on the Air Canada app. So once you have the Air Canada app opened up, just go to the bottom left and select book and then select a flight that you want to book. So if you wanted to just do a round trip flight, you can select that one way, etc. But if you scroll down a little bit here to where it says apply promotion code, go ahead and select that right here. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and type in the promo code. So if I want to type in the promo code just like this, I can press on done. It'll then show you the available promo codes right here. In my case, I just searched up a random one, so it doesn't exist right here. But once again, go to a promo code right here. You can then search it up, or you can sign into Aeroplan to see different codes right here. Do what you got to do, search this up, apply it to your booking. So this time when you book, the flights will be discounted in regards to what the promo code is looking like. So once again, apply a promo code, type in your promo code, press done, and proceed that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to apply a promo code on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.